Hey guys, back again with another unboxing. As you can see, we're using the same knife that we usually use. Okay, so right now we're going to be unboxing this wireless keyboard. And it's also a mouse combo, which is pretty nice. It looks really cool. They tried to go for a carbon fiber look on it, but it looks pretty fake, but let's get opening it. I don't even know if I need my unboxing knife at this point right now. But like, oh yeah, never mind, I do. So, we really need a mouse and keyboard right now because ours is like older and you know, so it has all these features up here. You could just see that, and the mouse is really nice as well. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Okay, let's just, so we're gonna open it gently. Oh my gosh, this is nice. So first we're gonna check out this mouse. So on the side, that's for extra controls. It has a nice grip, and as you can see, this is really nice. They feel pretty fluid, and the awesome thing is that it comes with the batteries. I'm not sure why they're different sized, but like, that's awesome. Okay, so we'll set this aside. I'll go ahead and set that over there. Okay, so let's get to the main thing of this. Okay. So as you could see, this is, sorry if I'm saying that too much. It's really nice. It feels really good and light. It's pretty good quality. That's really nice. This is especially good for if you're a gamer, because I have my gaming headphones right here, and we could hook that up with it. So we could like put these batteries inside this mouse right now real quick, and then we'll see how this looks by itself. I like that this is wireless, because the wire management on my, hold on, I'm making an unboxing. So I like how that it's wireless, because there's not really we have pretty bad wire management. Okay, we're just gonna, as you could see, the light's flashing right there. Okay, so we're gonna get the cap right here, and go ahead and just set this right here. It senses when your movement, so we're just gonna move the main thing out of here. Okay, so it's pretty smooth. I don't have like a mat or anything down here, so it's really nice. I like this. I might make a follow-up video on like typing and stuff on it. That looks really cool. Okay, so let's just put them right together. Oh, now I got it. The little ones were for the mouse. And then this big battery right here. This is to connect inside here. Okay, so we'll put the plus sign like that. Oh, that's awesome. So right here, there's a little stand, and right here, there's a little stand, so that when you place it down, it has a little angle for the typers out there. So let's try and get this in screen. So this is a recommended item, so we'll be sure to test this out in the near future. Bye, hope to see you soon.